Actually, just let me know one thing that in the last class there is only one topic is left, and I last class also I told that you study yourself, and if there is any problem, then we'll discuss. Okay, so that's why I am not discussing those things. So, okay, solve this problem, this figure. That is very easy. This problem, solve the problem. That is very easy. Do you get the result? Can you see that problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is very easy. Within 1 minute you can, 1 2 minutes you can do. Yes. Is someone got the result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then just tell me.
Sir, for A it is 1,
A it is 1.
B 1 1,
Mm, B is
B is, oh
Sir,
sorry,
B is 011.
yes sir, 0 1.
B is
Sir, A
0
is
1 1.
011.
Yes.
C is 010.
Acha, B is, tell
D
me,
011, sir.
0 1 1. Okay.
Yes.
C is,
And C is 010.
C is 0 1 0. Okay. Good.
D is 001.
0 0 1. Okay. Good.
E is 0001.
Okay. Good.
F is 00001.
Okay.
401.
401.
G,
Okay.
yes, sir, 401. And
Ah,
then G is 50.
50. Okay. So now anyone have any doubt? So basically what we have to do, as I told, this point is your, this is the last, this side, the first phase, the nearest, please turn off your mic. Okay. So now when I discuss about the Hammond coding, that time we told that this, the nearest stage is the your LSB bits and the farthest stage is your MSB. So if we look at A, only one bits is associated with the A. So that means A equal to 1. Now B equal to, so this is your MSB and this is your LSB. So just start journey from there. So it will give us B. So as he told that value for the all bits. Now if you calculate what is the average length for this, then what should be the average length? Calculate the average length as well as can calculate the probability density function. Sorry, not pro means entropy. Find out the entropy. Entropy and average length. Because we want to compare how good the code is. Okay. So now if you want to calculate the entropy, probability is already given. Achha, before that, just check one thing. These probabilities, summation of all the probability is equal to 1 or not. First check it. Okay. And let me know the probability, all the summation of this term 1 by 3 by 8, 3 by 16, 3 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, 1 by 32. The summation of this value equal to 1. Let me know. Is it or not?
Yes, sir. 1. Summation.
Coming on, no? That means
Yes.
we can find out the entropy. So first find out the entropy value and then the average length. What is the formula for the your entropy?
Summation LK minus P.
Summation LK into P means average length equal to summation of LK into PK.
Yes, sir.
So do that, then you will get the average length. Let me ask someone from here. Abhishek? Abhishek, are you there? Abhishek is not there. Amatra. Abhijita, are you there?
Hello?
So
Yes,
just tell
I'm
me.
doing.
Okay. And tell me the answer for the average length.
Yes.
Sir, can you please show the question? Means minimize this window. Okay.
Tell me.
So it's what is
Okay, you just wait. Abhijita will tell about the answer. Okay. Abhijita, have you done? Have you completed? The formula already means I told that what is the formula for average length? That is summation of LK into PK. And previously we have find out what is the value of LK. Means how many bits is there for different symbols. For A there is a 1 bit, for B there is a 3, for C there are 3 bit, for D there are 3 bit, for E there are 4 bits, for F and G there are 5 bits. So number of bits, you know the code length for all the symbols, and you know the probability. Easily you can find out. Okay, who solved? Just tell me the answer. Who solved that?
2.475.
Shomo. Shomo, you solved it, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, average code word length is 2.4375.
2.4
43.
2.4375.
75. Okay.
Yeah.
So all of you got that same result or something else?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
average length is coming, mine is coming 2.40625.
2.40625. Maybe there is a multiple mistake in, maybe I don't know that which one is the correct because I have not solved that problem. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
so now just if you know the formula and if you put it in this formula, means whatever the formula I told, that L bar, which is average length, equal to summation of, is there any option to write? Okay, there is the option. Just draw. Okay, so basically that L word, that's equal to your summation of L K into PK, and K equal to 0 to how many bits is there? How many symbols is there? 7.
7, sir.
7. That means 0 to 6. So now you know all the value of LK for individual symbols A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and corresponding PK you know. So now if we put this, use this formula, then you can find out what is the value for the average length. Now entropy you need to find out. What is the value of expression for the entropy? Just tell me, H of S, that is the entropy, that is equal to
Summation pk log base 2 1 by pk.
summation pk log of, okay, just let me delete. Is there any option to delete? Again, cancel. Okay, so again, let me do. Okay. So H of S, that's equal to summation of K equal to 0 to 6 pk into log 2 base 1 by pk. So now tell me what is that value?
2.37.
2.37. Okay. Now, if we compare with the average length that we calculate, and which is if we consider that 2.4, because one of you got that 2.4375 and one got the 2.40625. Okay, if I consider the 2.4, okay, so that means there is some difference between the average length and the entropy, and we know that we need to minimize that value. Okay, so now it is very close. Now solve another problem. Okay, so binary symmetric channel. Okay, basically what I will do, I will give some assignment, maybe by today or tomorrow, and I uploaded the first the introduction portion of the PPT. Have you checked?
Sir, where you have given Nitrix?
In
Yes, sir.
MS
Yes, sir.
MS
Class
Team,
material.
if you class materials, if you click on the class materials, you will get those things. Okay, so I will everything whatever the thing I will upload inside the class materials. Okay, in the file, if you go to the file and then, okay, now just entropy, we solve many problems. Let's solve other some problems. So it's only one to let's do something. This is also entropy. So, okay, this is coding, Hammond coding. Okay, solve that problem. Hammond coding. Okay, problem number 5.12. Have you note down that thing? Okay, you study I was from that. Try to solve that thing first so that we can solve one on more.
So in case one, like the coding procedure as high as possible, like what we have to do?
In one case. Okay, that thing is combined symbol in a coding procedure as high as possible. Second case, no. Okay, that so two thing is there. When the as high as possible means we know that the symbols have a higher probability. If we represent the symbols with the less number of bits, then we will get the lower possible value, which you have done in the last examples. Now, if you do the reverse thing, that means the for higher probability you are using the more number of bits, and which have the lower probability, for that you are assigning the less number of bits. So in that case it will be considered as the as highest as possible. Coding procedure will be the as highest as possible. Okay, got it?
So it means like we have to arrange those codes according to the probability. Like in the higher, we have to arrange in descending order. The probability should be in descending order, and in the reverse case, we have to arrange in ascending order. Is that you are saying?
Yes. So when
Okay.
it is talk about the as highest as possible, that means in that case you have to arrange in the ascending order, and you have to start with the bottom point, means the maximum probability. From there you have to study and start.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You know.
So can't we means start in descending order and combine the symbol and then move the combined symbol to the topmost position possible for that symbol?
No. That two thing is there. So you can arrange all the symbols in the descending order. Now when you are combining, so in the one case we are combining from the lowest value. Okay, two thing you can do. So like these examples, if we go to these examples, suppose these examples, this for this example, if you want to do that, that which is given in the problem of 5.12, the problem you are solving right now. So this is the case where you will get the as lowest as possible. Okay, now if we combine these two and get the new symbols, and as in this case you also doing in the descending order, but if you reverse this means in uh, arrange in the ascending order, so in that case from the below you can remove one by one. Otherwise what you have to do, from the top you have to remove. So I will suggest just remove one by one from the bottom, not from the top. That's why I told just arrange the symbols with the ascending order. Got
So
it?
in means we have to arrange the symbol in ascending order and still combine the lowermost terms, lowermost last two terms.
Lowermost means lower two items which has the higher probability.
Okay. Means the procedure is same just in
Procedure will be the same, just changing the arrangement means how we are means ordering those probability.
but still we will move to the topmost position.
No. From most position means that from the lower from the bottom. If you start from the bottom until you get the two, only the two symbols are remaining, two combination. You have to stop where when you will find only the two symbols is there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
Sir, if we arrange in ascending order and combine the lower most two terms, then their sum will be greater than any of the available terms. Acha, then we
So
have
you will put in the next stage, you will put in the bottom, is the bottom, it will be
uppermost, highest, means it will be greater than the above sum now because it is in ascending order.
so ascending order. That means what we are doing here, if the summation is higher than the this value, suppose this two value is higher than the this value, so we put this position, normal coding. But since we are arranging in the ascending order, so we will put in the bottom, because always the two highest number summation of two highest value, it will give us the highest value only. So
So it
it
will
will
always be on the top.
always be in the bottom.
Top, no, sir.
No, top in.
Acha, okay, I understand.
For all the stage, it should be the same, na, ascending order. When we are doing the thing in the descending order, then it will move to the top.
Okay.
So that type of question will come to your exam. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, you got the result.
sir, for the first case I got
First case means highest as possible. Okay, just tell me
this
the average length.
8. Average I have
So now you just find out the average length, because we need to find out the average code length.
Sir, if we do by that way, means the uppermost symbol will not have any uppermost alphabet will not have any code word, sir, because it is never
How is
moving.
it possible?
It is never moving, sir, means it will always remain on top. So means
So top position, you see, you are doing the mistake. So if you see, it is never used, but finally when there is two symbols, we are allotting ons for
I
this
got
and
it.
zero. That means every symbol must be a code, means code word.
Sir, for the first case, average word length is 3.6.
First case 3 means that as highest as possible.
Yes, sir.
3.6.
6.
Okay. L prime highest. And now lowest case.
Sir, that I am doing now.
Okay, do that. And only 3 or 4 of you are just giving the answer. What about the others? Let me ask them. You just try
Sir,
to solve. Yes.
sir, in the first case, as high as possible, my average length is coming 3 itself. Means all the code words
sir,
for
mine
all
is
the letters is coming 3.
For all the letters coming 3.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All the
Means
letters are 3.
sir, I
That is correct.
No, it is not possible. How it will come for all symbols? It will come the this 3. At least there will be one symbol. See, if I say consider A is the lowest one, for that we will assign one only one bit.
Okay, sir.
So you just show me your solution that you make. That basically what you have to do using that probability, later with the probability, you have to make a Hammond tree like this.
Yes, sir, that we have done. I've done.
Just show me this
So we have
figure.
followed the.
Just take the snap and send me.
Yes, sir.
You can post it in this here. I can then I will see.
Yes, sir.
No, no, that is wrong. The reverse you have done. The reverse, okay, let me check. No, that is correct.
Sir, I have uploaded that file.
Yeah, yeah, I'm checking. So let me check that. This is which case it is? This is your normal case, the lowest one.
Sir, for the fast case means in descending order.
In the descending order, that means as lowest as possible code it is. In the descending order, point 2 is there, point 1, point 2, it's okay, goes there. This will come here. Then this 2, point 2, it will goes there. Okay, this 2, it will goes there. Then this. Okay, 0 and 1. So now let's start from the this 0, 0, 0. So L equal to 0, 0, 0, okay. And this is the case as lowest as possible. Okay. Now just do the opposite in the your descending order. Sorry, ascending order. All this time it should be in the ascending order. So I hope this is correct. I am not checking all the point right now. Let me check for others. Yes, also uploaded.
It's matching with the answer.
Okay, means
Same.
this is the case where the average length, since all the value is equal to this, and if you multiply with this value, So basically it will come your 3. It is not, summation will not be 3.6. Okay. So the average length word code is code length word for the as lowest as possible, it will be 3. Okay. Now for the next one, as highest as possible. Okay. Actually, let me check about the others. They are not even doing anything. Nadim,
Hello.
yes, are you solving?
Yes, sir. I've seen. I've made that tree only. That two of the guy have shown the tree.
Okay. Kartik, Kartik Divedi, are you solving? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, answer is 3 only. No?
Yeah, yeah. Answer is
Okay.
3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this case, that descending order case, we have different probabilities for L and O. So how can the answer be
Different probability.
for L
Okay.
and O?
L and O is the probability same or different?
Sir, 0.2. They both of them have 0.2. Rest of the cases have 0.1.
Huh?
So still the word length will be 3 only.
There is no problem because you see, it is depending on the how we are doing the coding, because you see these examples. Okay. Now, if the suppose this. Okay, in these examples, maybe that find out this value is difficult. That when the both are the same probability and we are getting the same. But I think when we discuss the theory portion, during the theory we solve a problem. Do you remember the Hammond when we discuss about the Hammond coding? I solve a problem and there was a two symbols have the different probability. One was your 0.4, another is your 0.2, and another also is 0.2. So in three symbols, one symbols have the probability 0.4, remaining two is your 0.2. We have seen both the means all the three symbols have the same code length and all are 2. So
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
there is a no necessary that there should not be any constant that since the probability is different, they do not have the same code length.
So, sir, here probability won't be multiplied with the code length of each one and added to find the average code length.
If you
Even
do
if we do
that,
that, we get the same answer.
same answer, because you see what is the average length formula, summation of code length into pk
Probability. Yes, sir.
probability. Since for all the symbols code length is 3, that means
Yes, sir.
it is constant, we can take it out, and the summation of the rest of the
Yes,
probability
sir. It will
pk
be 1.
1.
Yes, sir.
So
Got it.
3 into 1, that means 1 by 3. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, for that increasing order one, sir,
Yes, tell me.
for that increasing order one, I have tried and like I have found that the L and O, which both of which have the highest probability, will be having 7 bits of code each.
It's no problem, it's me. Good. So now in that case, find out the what is the average length code.
Sir, it is coming 4.9.
4.9.
Yes,
Now
sir.
if we
4.9 it is coming.
okay, now previously in the lowest case one, that means your case 2, second case, we got the probability, average length, code length equal to 3. In the first case, the average code length is equal to 4.9. Now, if we find the entropy for these symbols, what will be the entropy?
Sir.
Huh?
2.92.
Entropy is 2.92. Now, if we entropy is saying how many information is there. So now, if we use this as highest as possible, that means there will be wastage of bits because we are sending more bits, but there is no information. Okay, that's why we normally do the reversing. That means which has the highest probability, it should be assigned the less number of bits. Which has the lowest probability, we should assign the highest number of bits. Okay, now any portion of this is left. Variance of the average code length over the ensembles of letters. Comment on your result. Okay, so what should be the comment on your result? And the second part means the in this portion, what you have to variance when you calculating the variance. So how you will do that? What is the definition of the variance?
Summation HS minus LK whole square.
Summation of
HS minus LK whole square means entropy minus each code word length square.
length.
And
Okay, that means you can find out this your means your variance. So find out the variance for the both case. So you will see the variance will be more for case 2 means 1 where had the highest as possible consider we have taken care. Okay, now what should be your comment for on this result? Actually, let me ask someone. Ravinder. Ravinder, are you there? Okay, he is not there. Ritika? Okay, Ravinder is there. So Ravinder, just tell me, what is your comment from this result? How do you observe from that result? Tell me.
Sir, I am solving the previous one. Sir.
Till you are solving, already all the remaining are solved.
Sir, I joined the class late.
You joined the class late. Why?
8:17.
Okay. But the second problem started around 8:25.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, just solve it, right? Okay, Ritika. Ritika, can you hear me?
Sir, for the second case, means the average code word length is coming 4.3 for me.
4.3.
Yes, sir.
So since I have not solved that problem, I cannot compare. But if the procedure is same, then the result should be the same. And most of the student agree with the 4.9. So in maybe in your case there is some little bit of mistake.
Okay, sir, I'll check.
You just check it because the 4.9 is confirmed by the 4 or 5 students before of that. So now just now you are saying the 4.3. So just check it once that you are getting this thing or not. You are doing some mistake or not. Okay. So Ritika, she is not there. Definitely. Rudra.
Sir?
Okay.
Sir?
So have you got the result?
Sir, I have a doubt actually.
What doubt you have?
So, like in the mapping, like while doing via mapping, and there are two probabilities of 0.1 and 0.2 of same values. So we have to take the summation of those only, or like if in case there will be a situation like when one probability is 0.1 and in the next step, like in the next step, is the probability value is 0.2. So can we take the summation of 0.1 and 0.2 and do and further mapping?
No, the thing is that the question is not clear to me because you see, first there are two cases. You want to arrange this thing according to your ascending order. One case, this is the case one. Second case in the descending order. And what we are doing, we are adding the bottom two values. Okay. So after adding these two value, whatever the new value we'll get, we will put the new value into the next stage at the appropriate position. Okay. So now, if the position is when we are doing in the descending order case, ascending order case, this is the case one. So always the summation will come at the bottom. Okay. In case two, summation may go to the top of the next stage because when you add the two value 0.1 and 0.1, it will become 0.2, and normally we have seen that we put in the top of the next stage. Okay, so in that way we
So
solve.
actually,
Yes.
so actually my question is like, okay, like when we have 0.1 and 0.1, then we are adding and moving it to the topmost position. But like maybe if I'm wrong only, but like I'm coming over a situation when I have got 0.1 and 0.2, like in the next step. So like what
Okay.
should I do? Like should
Then
I add them?
add these two. If the condition is that these two are in the below position.
So can you please repeat? I didn't get.
You see that figure. Okay. You try to understand from here. I don't know that when we discuss about this, that time why you didn't ask question. You see this position thing. There is two probability. Okay. So 1 by 32, 1 by 32. If we add up these two value, what we will get? 1 by 16. So in that case, what they do, they put in the one. This is the lowest position because both are the same. But as I discussed, I prefer to give this sum over there and this value is there. Okay. So now again 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is the lower position. So if we add these two value, it will give us the 1.1 by 8. So this is the 1 by 8 and all the top value is the higher than the 1 by 8. So they put in the bottom. Okay. Just okay. Let me show you these examples. It will be more clear for you maybe. You see these examples. What they are doing, they are adding the lowest two value. They got 0.2, so they moved over here. And these two value will come the bottom. Again, they are adding these two value. It's become addition of summation of these two value is your 0.4, so it is going top. And this 0.4 is coming here. Again, we are adding, as
Yes,
you
sir,
told, that 0.1 and 0.2. There is a possibility that it may come. I don't know it is coming or not. But thing is that it should be in the order, means appropriate. If you look at all the stage, all the value are in the descending order. There is in any stage you will not find the probability are not in the descending order.
Yes, sir,
So
I got it.
you have to arrange you cannot put the value in the random position. So whatever the point 2 you told, if above that there is a point 1, then you have to take the point 1 in the below. For every stage, you have to strictly follow the same rules, and it will be the all are in the descending order. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So next, what? Let me do announce one thing. Next week I will take quiz class test. Okay, surprise test from your information theory and the before the introduction section, because the information theory is over, and by today or tomorrow, definitely by this weekend, I will send the PPT, the second PPT. So it will be the surprise test. I can take any one day, and it will be 10 or 15-minute test. Okay. And next class onwards, we will just discuss about the your digital communication, different modulation or coding scheme that we use for digital communication, that we will discuss. How to convert a analog signal into the digital, that sampling. All of you know about the sampling and the effect of the sampling. Those things we'll start, and we'll discuss one by one if different type of modulation, generation of this signal, modulated signal, and recover the message signal from the means modulated signal. That thing will be discussed next class onwards. Okay. So now, and definitely by even when I will upload your materials for information theory, at the same time I will give some assignment, and in this assignment there will be two or three portion will be there. What you have to do, suppose one assignment I will mention assignment 1, assignment 2. So there will be a deadline for the assignment 1, there will be a deadline for the assignment 2, and you have to upload those things. Is that clear? Okay, then you can leave the group.
Hello, sir.
Okay, just leave the group so that I can take the attendance.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, just Ritika Bansal just told me 5 minutes ago that her mic is not working. She replied in the Teams also.
Okay. So how she confirmed you?
Sir, she told me and she replied
Okay,
in
okay,
Teams also.
okay, no problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when you joining the meeting, make confirm is it should be that you have to check that mic is working or not, because definitely sometime I want to interact with you, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you just make sure that when you joining the meeting, mic should be in the operating mode. Means both mic and headphone, both should be in the means operational mode. Both are
Yes,
working
sir.
like that.
I'll tell her.
Okay. Okay. Because any times I can ask someone that okay, what should be the answer for that? Okay.
Sure.
Okay, just leave now. If all of you can leave that meeting, I want to take the attendance.